Hi students, welcome to Aryan StudyMate. So today we are going to introducing the main chapters in physics. The first chapter in physics is heat. So heat is also a very important chapter in physics part. First chapter. In this chapter, you will face 1 mark, 2 marks questions. So mainly in this chapter, you are facing the main questions basing on specific heat and its units, and also one important derivation Q is equal to ms delta T, and the 1 mark and 2 marks questions latent heat of vaporization, latent heat of fusion, principle of calorimetry, and also principle of method of mixtures, and applications of specific heat, and also we will discuss how can you determine the specific heat of a solid in 4 marks questions is very important. That is the lab activity, and also evaporation, condensation, boiling, melting, freezing. All these parts in this chapter we are going to study, and also the units of heat, calorie, joule, or the relation between calorie and joule. All these we will discuss in this chapter, and these are all the main parts in this chapter. Second chapter is refraction of light at plane surfaces. So in this chapter also mainly 1 mark and also 2 marks questions, and also the 4 marks questions you will face. In this chapter we are going to discuss, you will face the refraction, what are the laws of refraction, and also some examples for refraction, and also the refractive index, what is refractive index, and also the critical angle, total internal reflection, and also we will discuss the formation of mirages, and all these you will see in this chapter. So you will face 1 mark as well as 4 marks questions also. And the next chapter, that is the third chapter in physics, is refraction of light at curved surfaces. So refraction of light at curved surfaces means mainly basing on the lenses. So in this chapter you will you will derive some derivations like that, the image formation, lens formula, lens maker's formula, and also some main parts we will discuss in this. And the fourth chapter is human eye and colorful world. In this human eye and colorful world, you will mainly study that long sight, and also the short sight, and also the hypermetropia, and also the how can you determine the refractive index of a prism, and all those these questions you will study there in this human eye and colorful world. And the fifth chapter is current electricity. In this chapter mainly you will study about the drift velocity, drift speed, and also the R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Kirchhoff laws are the mainly two: loop law, junction law, and electric power. All this you will learn in this chapter. And the last chapter in physics part is electromagnetism. So this chapter electromagnetism is also very important, where you study the relation between electricity and magnetism. So many activities in this chapter basing on electricity and magnetism you will face, and also you will study mainly the working and the construction of an electric motor, working and the construction of AC generator. All these and you will learn in this chapter. And also regarding the diagrams part, the electric motor and the AC generator are very important. In 2 marks questions you will face generally state and explain the Lenz law with some examples. All these things you will study in this electromagnetism chapter. So students, basing on the physics part, in today I mentioned the 6 chapters in physics part, that is mainly heat, refraction of light at plane surfaces, refraction of light at curved surfaces, human eye and colorful world, current electricity, and electromagnetism. So these 6 chapters are very, very important. Mainly the light chapters, that is refraction of light at plane surfaces, refraction of light at curved surfaces, human eye and colorful world. During the 10th class, they are very, very important because the light chapter in 10th part is the basic for your higher study, that is first year intermediate study. In the first year, you will study about the light optics basing on 10th class. That is 10th class optics, mainly basing on these 3 chapters. That is refraction of light at plane surfaces, refraction of light at curved surfaces, human eye and colorful world. So you have to study this well. Must not leave only mainly on 10th class basis. You must not leave any parts of these chapters. So you must go through it very well because they are the basic for your higher study. Similarly, these 2 chapters, current electricity and electromagnetism, are also very, very important. They are also basic for your higher study. So in this chapter also, you have to go through it, all the parts, mainly in this current electricity and electromagnetism also, because they are the basics for your higher study. You must not leave any part. And heat is the first chapter. Heat is also important, and you learn all those things in the heat chapter, which will be useful for your higher study. So, okay, students, today in the physics part, what the main important chapters I mentioned. So you have to go through it very well and listen it very carefully. Thank you.